Rolling over your 401k into a self-directed IRA might sound complicated at first, but it's a simple and effective way to take more control over your retirement savings. If you're nearing retirement or already retired, this could be one of the smartest financial moves you make. Stick around until the end, and I'll walk you through the advantages of doing this and why it's especially valuable for retirees like you. But first, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and ensuring it's in the right hands, click the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are already turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and this free guide will show you why it's an essential move for anyone looking to preserve their wealth in today's market. Now, let's talk about the key reasons why rolling over your 401k into a self-directed IRA can be a game changer. One of the most significant advantages is the control it gives you. With a 401k, you're usually limited to the investment options your employer offers. That's a handful of mutual funds, stocks, and bonds. But when you roll it over into a self-directed IRA, you open up a world of investment opportunities. You can invest in real estate, precious metals like gold and silver, tax liens, private equity, and even cryptocurrency. For many retirees, including those with 100k or more in their retirement accounts, this is an attractive way to diversify their portfolio. Instead of relying solely on stocks or bonds, you can spread your investments across a variety of asset classes to reduce risk and potentially increase returns. But here's the real kicker. Self-directed IRAs give you direct access to the asset you believe will truly grow your wealth, like a gold IRA. Unlike traditional IRAs or 401ks, a gold IRA allows you to invest in precious metals that have historically been a hedge against inflation and market volatility. If you're looking to make sure your savings are safe from economic downturns, a gold IRA could be your best option. Another advantage of rolling over your 401k into a self-directed IRA is the potential for tax benefits. Like a traditional IRA, a self-directed IRA allows your investments to grow tax-deferred. So, you won't owe any taxes on the gains until you withdraw funds, which could mean significant savings in the long run. However, if you opt for a Roth IRA rollover, your withdrawals could be tax-free when you retire, which is an incredible perk for retirees trying to manage their tax burden in their later years. Some people also worry about the fees associated with self-directed IRAs. But here's the truth. Many self-directed IRAs are surprisingly low cost compared to traditional 401k plans, which often come with hidden fees that eat into your returns. By rolling over to a self-directed IRA, you can reduce those unnecessary costs and put more money to work for you. Another common concern is how complicated the process is. The good news is, rolling over your 401k is not nearly as difficult as it seems. You can do it yourself with a few simple steps or get expert help to make sure it's done correctly. And with the right support, like a gold IRA specialist, you can make sure you're selecting the best assets for your needs. This is why, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, you need to look into a gold IRA. For those with significant savings, whether it's 100k or $5, this is the kind of move that could keep your retirement secure in volatile times. Now, before we wrap up, let me just say this. If you want to make sure you're on the right track to protect your wealth in the next couple of weeks, don't wait. Click the first link in the description below and get your free gold IRA guide. It's ideal for anyone with more than 100k in their IRA or 401k, or those with upwards of $5 in savings who want to ensure their wealth is protected. Don't let another day go by without securing your financial future. Take control of your retirement savings today with a self-directed IRA and a gold IRA, and make sure your wealth is protected for the long haul.